Mastering English Collocations, the power of Collocation Dictionaries. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on mastering the English language. Today, we're focusing on an extremely useful resource for enhancing your vocabulary: Collocation Dictionaries. Collocation, as you may know, refers to how words naturally pair up in a language. By understanding and using collocations correctly, we can make our English sound more natural and fluent. Today, we're going to delve deep into collocation dictionaries and resources and how they can help you level up your English language skills. A collocation dictionary is a fantastic tool that provides you with valuable information about which words go together in English. Unlike a regular dictionary that provides meanings of words, a collocation dictionary provides common combinations of words, which can help you sound more like a native speaker. For example, you might learn that in English, we usually say, make a decision, rather than, do a decision. Using a collocation dictionary is pretty straightforward. It's similar to using a traditional dictionary, but instead of looking up a word's meaning, you're looking for the words it commonly pairs with. Say you want to use the word success. You'll find entries like achieve success, enjoy success, or strive for success, providing you with ready-made, natural-sounding phrases to use in your English conversations. Regularly using a collocation dictionary can significantly improve your vocabulary. By learning which words naturally go together, you can communicate more clearly and fluently. Each time you learn a new word, make a habit of checking it in a collocation dictionary. You'll learn not just the word but also how to use it in context, enriching your vocabulary and improving your understanding of English language patterns. While collocation dictionaries are invaluable, there are also other ways to expand your collocation knowledge. Reading extensively in English can help you absorb collocations naturally. Books, newspapers, and online articles can be excellent sources for this. You'll start to notice certain words that frequently appear together. Remember to keep a notebook handy to jot down new collocations that you encounter. Well, that wraps up our discussion on collocation dictionaries and resources. Remember, understanding and using collocations correctly can make your English sound more native-like. So, start exploring collocation dictionaries, enhance your vocabulary, and improve your fluency. As always, we hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning! And we'll see you in our next session where we'll delve deeper into the world of English collocations.